Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. All right, we're gonna start with Dawn soap in here and half of hair clip or whatever you can call this thing. And I'm gonna use my soap to kind of measure how much I'm gonna need based on the size of my hairpiece or half a hairpiece. Now I have my 8x10 canvas and I have my colors already mixed except for the black. So the way I mix my paints is 1 part of paint and maybe 1 part to half a part of Elmer's glue. And I mix it up. At this point, you can see it's very, very thick. So I start adding water. Little by little until it looks like this. Now for this technique, I have found that the thinner formula works best. Now I'm going to start with the white color in my canvas. And then some yellow. Now I'm going to use my yellow to put around the white. So right now we're trying to do chameleon cells with soap. So now I'm going to use a darker mustard yellow. And some magenta. Some turquoise. A darker blue. I think this one is called ultramarine blue. Now some purple, and then I'm going to fill out the rest of my canvas in black. Here we go. I'm trying to let you guys see what I'm doing here. Okay, so now I'm going to fill the rest of my canvas off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm leaving some of the black paint for the edges later on. Now I'm going to take a card, but before then I'm going to add some white to swipe with. Now I'm going to take a card and I'll use it to draw some lines in the canvas to guide me through the swiping. So guys, I also wanted to let you know that due to some things going on with my family, I will not continue to upload fluid art videos anymore. So I just wanted to thank you for all the support that you have given me so far. I have met amazing people here, and also next video is gonna be the recap of my Lima, Peru trip that I made some friends in there. I met them through this channel, through the fluid art, and this is gonna be the finale for this channel. So I just wanted to let you know how much you guys mean to me, how much I have appreciated your support through this journey, and it's been absolutely amazing. So now, as you can see, it's very important to clean the card or your swiping tool before you use it again. So you swipe and then clean and swipe again. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to use my torch to kind of burst some air bubbles in here. There's some in here and some in here, so I'll take care of that. Now remember that soap that we set aside at the beginning, so we kind of dip the hairpiece. Notice that the teeth in this piece are more separated than the previous I used in other videos when I first introduced this technique in my channel. And so I'm going to use it to do 4 parts and divide my canvas in 4 quadrants. Now I'm going to use half in between those quadrants to do more chameleon cells. So that's why I'm naming this episode Chameleon Cells with Soap. Because in this instance, I'm using Dawn, but you can use any other soap as long as it has glycerin in it. And you can do as many or as a little chameleon cells as you can, as you want. But it's up to you guys. It's your painting. You do what you want with it. So I think it looks pretty like this. And I'm just going to do a few more and I'm going to leave it like that. This is how it looks like, boys and girls. I love how it turned out. I'm going to add some more white in the middle to mix it with the yellow, and that will be it. So thank you so much, you guys. Love you all. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.